Here's a practice test question for you on inverse of relation. The question is, determine whether each pair of function described inverse are inverse or not. So in every part we have two pairs, like this is one function, this is the other function, and you have to figure out whether they are inverse functions or not, right? If they are, then write true, otherwise false. Multiply by 2, then add 3. This is your function, and if you write like this, divide by 2 and then subtract 3, will that make it a inverse or not? This is what is the answer, right? True or false. Next is multiply by 5, then subtract 3. And the inverse could be divide by minus 5 and then subtract minus 3. Is that the inverse of, if G is inverse of F or not? This is what you need to figure out. C. Multiply by 3, then add 5. Subtract 5, then divide by 3. And D is multiply by 2, then add 3. And its inverse could be add minus 3, then divide by minus 3. So these are the options given to you. Now figure out which ones are set of function and inverse function and which ones are not, right? So have a good look at it and then figure out the answer. My solution or suggestion is that there is only one out of these four which is related as function and its inverse, and that is part C. Now here, as you can see, we are reading it in the reverse order. Multiply by 3, then add 5, that means subtract 5 and then divide by 3. So that becomes the inverse. Subtract 5, then divide by 3. So that is the only set which actually conforms with function and inverse function. The other ones are not correct. Thank you.